BALEBA already made for the Ekutaya. Yaji league in advance. League no yaji in advance. Odia show your Andre Santos. Mumse on the man who you Oba na carry catch and say chance for me me show ma omo ncha na nyade. Omo hu de we baby so mudu gina na abobo ni mudu be gina ho. Yili Tillemans aba. So what I say already Bruno no so ne nam ho a na de BALEBA be ka ho. Na Carrick de Bruno John manim say ya. Team men be twa share Premier League ni Kofi.
No but omo nyina
ejuma na si.
Omo nyina technicians. That is the only issue. I can understand that as a Manchester United fan you're excited. And United need any beji, rightly so some more money. We buy Jeff more seriously. United and Tobasi. That is why some people are paid to be analysts. Sometimes we have to look beyond fanatics and your excitement. No.
Me say that. Yeah, player na ya kwa kotono. Na be chine player no kwa emfa so ejusu no.
Wo nye ija he na out na wo chire Chelsea for the omura no mti. Ana sata na oti land.
Agbe se o ti dan gitu anim. True.
Sata na o ti land. Rich BALEBA is a top player. He's a very very good player. You can't take anything away from Carlos BALEBA. But say all the Carlos BALEBA ba be she United team ni sisi a it still highlights the clearest issue of some midfield, you know? Which is the lack of an off the ball sided technician.
The destroyer, no?
Yes. Because Manolo got a pra omo.
Obeba.
Casimiro ko ACL or Obeba dabe.
Eba won panyo baba.
The Terebia names wash it now here. Casimiro watonoko. So there's a need for a destroyer. That is why I thought that Elliot Anderson come money easy City sir. Especially when Joseph Guardiola was going. There's a need for a proper DM, which United don't seem to have. Yuri Tillemans near Kano, a top player, but he's a number 8, ball-sided, technical player. Long range of passing, let us shoot from afar and get goals. Tillemans will give it to you. Again, when you talk about to be say Carlos BALEBA and Kenya, he is a more technical ball carrier. It is a case number 6 be on more far born in free deep. Now on pushing man and him. Mbambe making sure say he'll do the box to box job for you. BALEBA will give it to you. He's an excellent ball carrier. On the ball, he's one of the best. He's even press resistant. It is a Okitabo now, one of the best that you can get in the game today. It can't take anything away from Carlos BALEBA. And the experience of playing in the Premier League is as important as everything. Andre Santos Yekeng. Or your number 8, another 8. That is not suited to playing alone as a single 6. I don't know, but in my mind, it looks to me say Adia Carrick person or Yeno. And in all of these things, I will only analyze, but with time we'll know whether it was successful Carrick plan. And so Manchester United need to beside me say, well, what do I think is the plan of Carrick? It looks as if Michael Carrick per se or dominating possession to the extent that he will have to use more or less like something like what Hansi Flick episode. You press aggressive from the off, as a unit, and not dependent on a proper 6 that will do a lot of coverage of ground. But the other must add a Premier League. In the Champions League, they can do this. But the Premier League, where you have a lot of DMs that will be very physical and you play every 3 days, no, the physical strain on the players then is problematic. That is why even in the wisdom of City, say RODRI-BARCELONA after the ACL, there was a need to add a proper 6 to him, who is more or less like a destroyer. And yes, RH, you have to go into the fold of BB to say Arsenal. Who say Arsenal have Declan Rice or number 8 of a sort, but Declan is also very physical. It is Obo Martin Ibanez will be Mendy. Now about Declan Jan in China, you've not lost anything because Declan will do a lot of physical work for you. Even Budok Genome didn't have a Krampori can do a lot of physical job for you. Mikel Merino, the physicality is there. So that is my only worry about the team. But my thought is that so I'm sure the Michael Carrick person with because 65 million euros is a good bargain. Whether I like it or not, Carlos BALEBA is experienced in the Premier League. And the money down so in a lot of midfielders that he is one of the best ball carriers in the league. Forget BBR. CSA, Bono, United, Press United high. Ne midfielder bakumbe fa. Now on walking through the blocks.
On turning for born and
he will go. This way can.
That Shimeru type.
Yeah. Who trying to crop from him? I remember last season, Chelsea versus Brighton. Which Naka said Butu still in the boy was going. So he is good. But that is my only worry with our Brighton friend Carlos Baleba and the turnover. Last season goes with Brighton conceding was because turnover almost two midfielders now very technical. None of them was off the ball. But I think that said, we're okay, we're complete. Oh,
we need a destroyer, not yet. Definitely, you have a starting season here. Of course. Of course. I say the one destroyer become
because more
so that they be a complete midfield.
More boy be no one academy or call Everton. Friend James Garner. I don't know if you've watched him. Thomas Tuchel said, "Oh no, the English Federico Valverde, box to box, power physicality." I'm telling you, he's brilliant. He was one of the players I was hoping that Chelsea would buy. James Garner, no, and he is from the Manchester United academy, and I'm a man called Everton. So I don't know. I won't be surprised. And I like the way United for now doing your transfers, honestly speaking. This summer, it's not United for now have realized that Anna clubs have bombed the Manchester United tax. I'm going to say United was car. And to look at how quietly they went to pick Yuri Tillman. How quietly they went to Chelsea and said Mumai Andre Santos. And then now why Carlos Baleba? None of us saw it coming. Unless those who are close to the deal in England, and who's okay now, Baleba Eba Beko Hodom. So that has been good. Which psychologically, the rivalry between Barcelona and Madrid, one of the big parts of those two clubs. So for Madrid and now for Barcelona, there is as much psychological battle between the two as there is on the field of play. It's yes, Barcelona and Madrid they match. One ebeshe. Sa battle no. It goes on between the two clubs psychologically they be and it is because for a club based on both of them baby omumi enu nyina hu omo as formative or ye chi omo from free based on omanka ideologies no. It sets the tone for that. Which the people from Blaugrana, the red and blue of Barcelona, Almufi Catalan area one, they've always felt that they are inferior, and I say they are treated as inferior to the fascist Madrid. Now, Madrid is the capital of Spain. And one of the Spanish king, let's say, that is where they see them as okay. That is why the Madridistas call themselves the kings. For the Catalans, even to today, in geopolitical conversations, they are fighting for some independence. Players beat to say, Juan Garcia no Obama, the Catalan national team. After whether he was going to play for the Spanish national team, he went on there. Obama Espanol. For them, they've always felt that Omni Madrid for something. And it goes beyond football. Football is just a representation. And they can channel it through without being aggressive or it's being illegal to them. So, when you go back, now Koshesa, Luis Figo, movement between the two clubs now. Rich, up to today, Luis Figo is seen as a traitor to every Catalan. And Obio, again, Onya's documentary being shared, go and watch Luis Figo. It's on Netflix. Up till now, Ubisa Florentino Perez in that interview says that not Luis Figo ni Mubi. Up till now, Yebisa Luis Figo no ni Mubi. And the agents the Koji is Kano. And he had to go. What's be that? He said he didn't know. I said no holiday. And then the agent Fernando in San Cano. Now the agent Florentino Perez are down for. Florentino says that according to the agent, Omukachi said Luis Figo ni Luis Figo came there. And so the way I'm Madrid for any G so no man Luis Figo fi Barcelona. It's further emphasize the fact that for them they are kings of Barca. Rich, we had it. Said maybe now Madrid were the sole candidates for Rodri. The analysis was that Rodri Abobo on the 30, 31, 32. Pep Guardiola no they call England no every ho. So or baby or Bekono Ben Nebusian for of course or a Spaniard. He had played his first, in fact, when he broke onto the scene was at Atletico de Madrid. So for a lot of people, the connection of Rodri to Madrid was glaring. Into so go back to Spain. Na senya Atletico. Na senya the boy club. Then it has to be team your friend football club Real Madrid. And I don't pay. Jose Mourinho say, only Rodri didn't come on. No, only Rodri didn't come on. He realized that they were doubts in Rodri's head. Rodri said, "We may generate kakra, mumma time kakra, or the yensha de kakra." Jose he say, for a club like Madrid, you don't have doubt or double think. Or say according to him, say Madrid the flower, you say that okay, when should I come and you come? You don't go and think about it. Rich, and Barcelona for 1 year so more you they say that the best has joined the best. And when you listen to the story from the Athletic say Rodri was close to joining Madrid. Now down for no free Barcelona ebe ye adwuma Manchester City. And no all ye a wedding back in Spain. Now Rodri free the holidays or koye no. Because na down for Pep na head in the Barcelona bab na adwuma Manchester City. And all go back because on all ye a wedding or could be. He booked a hotel. It was that hotel. And Abasafoni take advantage in that single wedding and told him that chief. Now Pep baby Bobo the style of playing is similar to Pep Guardiola then it is here. Which there are report that Pep Guardiola munya do manu to mubi. So if you choose between Madrid and Barcelona, then choose Barcelona. Whether Jose Mourinho likes it or not, whether Madrid is bigger than Barcelona or not, however Madrid is testimony biano, the fact that Rodri Cascante chose Football Club Barcelona when clearly Madrid wanted him and probably would have offered better terms to him as a player than Football Club Barcelona, no, psychologically Barcelona have won.
And not any reason to am to choose Barcelona. Yeah. Spot on.
Yeah.
Also no, the decision no is simple. Based on sporting. Or no Rodri no, the style of play. Team Ben or car or fuse or be fit in simple. It's Barcelona. Or slotting into the Barcelona team.
Exactly.
And see, I mean, reason to ask now say Madrid for no, am I pissed? I don't know.
And there's a catch for them. Madrid is the biggest club in the world, and Rich, forget tactics of whether he will slot into the sporting one. Rich Rodri, Ballon d'Or winner. World Cup near boy and Rodri is the best player in the world. Best player, no. For those two clubs, say me the best club in the world. Then I want the best player at the World Cup to play in my club. And it is something that Barcelona have lost for years. When was the last time a Barcelona player won the Ballon d'Or? When was the last time there was a Ballon d'Or player in the Barcelona team? Barcelona team says nobody has won the Ballon d'Or. The closest has been Lamine Yamal or co-podium. But nobody has been there. Winning the World Cup and then winning the best player at the World Cup gives Barcelona a player or an institution. He stands there and represents the top. Creme de la creme. When he speaks to referees, they will listen. And psychologically, Barcelona have won that warfare. Whether Madrid fans agree or not, whether we are a better club than Barcelona or not, they have a chance to prove it on the field of play. So Mumi and Nuko share in those El Gran Clásicos. And I say in the fight for the Spanish La Liga and also in the Champions League, Barcelona fans can now fight and prove. And Madrid fans can now fight and prove some are better than Madrid. Okay. And yes, Arias in terms of everything they have won. Rich, Jose say the team is set. Now, no, when it comes to say you Messi up can share and see where to Barcelona. No,
or transfer na. Memo be part 2.
Oh, me eternity prep. Now, Jose say when you look at his team, everybody is ready. Only the time Mbappe say he wants to play, he reported to training very much on time, even way before time. Jose Mourinho Nankasa, he spoke to Vinicius Junior and said, Jack, the only place you know is Madrid. Now, when you move away from eco different club, one here, Rich, you will not get Rich. You will not get a different club than Football Club Real Madrid. Oh, difference no. Let us stay and get a job done, which is good. Which finally, me the see amount. Who's a make say for me? Blue Co are doing things right. And if Blue Co a club, I am man a lot of pressure and Chromo Tony.
Blue Co no.
Yeah. Local street until let's
baby for into my no. Never Blue Co store in a tour, mammy. I'll tell you, baby. Me from Church now. Okay, meaning Komaki to a